Welcome from Gokarna. As you can see, wave coming. So here we have jet ski rides, banana boats. Not much of water sports, but enough to enjoy this place. So whenever you visit Gokarna, visit two main places, that is the Yana caves and the Vibhuti waterfalls. So Yana caves was the one which we had time for, and we didn't have time to go to the Vibhuti waterfalls, but really enjoying this beautiful place, rock formation. And we have reached this place called as the Gokarna Beach. Get down and explore the place. So scuba diving in Netrani Island. So visiting Beach, and this the only cafe around Namaste Cafe. We had our lunch out here. Wow. So after visiting this beach, this is as called as Beach. There are two other beaches in this area. So called as Kudle Beach and Paradise Beach.